this is the $450 Philips Sonicare DiamondClean 9700, and low key, this might be one of the best things I've ever bought for my teeth. So I've been using this toothbrush for the past 3 weeks now as my daily driver. I never thought I would say this is a daily driver like a phone. And today we're gonna find out if this luxury toothbrush can really deliver on what it promises. So according to Philips, it can remove 3 times more stains, 7 times healthier gums in 2 weeks, and lastly, 10 times more plaque. But we are not just stopping there. Today, we're also going to investigate the differences between an $80 toothbrush and a $450 toothbrush. And according to many dental hygienists, they say that there's actually not a big difference, but I think by the end of this video, you'll be surprised to know the results. So this is the box, and this is everything that it comes with. You got your toothbrush, you got multiple toothbrush heads, a tongue scraper, a charging stand, or if you fancy a charging cup for your toothbrush instead. And lastly, a very premium feeling travel case for your toothbrush that can also charge USB-A. Now, if you've never owned a Sonicare toothbrush before, I promise you the brushing experience is really like no other. Instead of traditionally brushing with a manual toothbrush where you fiercely go up, down, side to side. So this is a manual toothbrush, and honestly, it's so prehistoric. This one, you glide across your teeth at a 45-degree angle, and the toothbrush does the rest for you. This is what $450 gets you. Glide, baby, glide. You know, at first I wasn't really used to it, and I didn't think the toothbrush was really cleaning my teeth, but after a few days of using it, I really enjoyed how clean it made my teeth feel, and also it felt like my gums were a lot healthier and less agitated. This particular toothbrush or model has a couple different toothbrush heads you can choose from. You got the A3, which is all-in-one gum and whitening, the C3, which is for whitening, and the G3 for healthier gum. I don't get the naming scheme either, but hey, it is what it is. I mainly stick with the A3 for obvious reasons, but after trying both the G3 and the C3, I don't really notice a difference personally. Now, the toothbrush has multiple modes, and if you connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, it can guide you. It has the standard clean mode, which is 2 minutes of cleaning and is recommended for all. Whitening mode, where it gives you an additional 30 seconds to clean your front teeth. Deep clean, which is the longest mode and most powerful, which is what I prefer to use. Gum health is an additional minute of brushing, but at a lower power level. And lastly, tongue cleaning, which is about 15 seconds of cleaning on your tongue with the tongue cleaner head. Okay, so let's just move on to the rest of the accessories now. So something that really separates this toothbrush from the rest is how unique the charging experience is. I absolutely love how it comes with this charging cup where you just put it on top of the charging base, you drop your toothbrush in, and then it charges automatically, inductively, and I think it just looks really good on the countertop. And if you don't like that, you can always just use the standard charging base. But speaking of charging, it also comes with a really cool charging travel case. I feel like this travel case is very premium feeling, and it also charges USB-A, which is perfect for traveling. And of course, you can carry 2 toothbrush heads with it as well. So the question is, does it deliver on its promises? And I need to start off by saying I'm no expert or a dental hygienist, but I will say this. After 2 weeks of using the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean 9700, I really did notice that my teeth did get whiter and feel more healthier. Because I enjoy using my toothbrush so much, not only did I find myself looking forward to brushing my teeth, but I noticed a visible difference because of 3 reasons. Firstly, the app helps you guide your brushing experience and even gives you tips how to brush more efficiently, and also lets you know if you missed out on any spots. Brush my teeth. This is my 5th time brushing probably today, but it shows the yellow as the spots that you missed, and also it asks if you rinse, floss, etc, etc. So I really enjoy the app. The app also reminds you with this cool little anime circle to brush twice, floss once, tongue clean once, and fluoride once per day. And lastly, because it's pressure sensitive, it incorporates this gliding motion. My gums have never felt more healthier than now. So for $450, did it really give me healthier gums, whiter teeth, remove more plaque? And also, how does it compare to the $80 toothbrush? Was there even a difference? So to answer your question, the Sonicare 1000% delivered on those 3 promises. But I think it was more than just a toothbrush, it was the entire experience which made me enjoy the brushing process more, which inevitably made me fluoride more, dental floss more, and brush my tongue more. And you just Because of those three things, it really helped me be more conscientious of my teeth and my dental hygiene. But here's the reason why the $80 toothbrush didn't do the same thing for me. So my old toothbrush was the Oral-B Braun Pro series, and again, cost about $80. It has lasted me over 7 years now. And for that, we have to give it a round of applause because we don't make toothbrushes that last over 7 years now. But again, after using the Philips we have to part ways. It's time to say goodbye to the Oral-B. The Oral-B was honestly great, and it has an oscillating toothbrush head. But I found that the oscillating toothbrush head didn't reach into deep crevices of my teeth, which really made it more difficult for me to enjoy the brushing experience, because if I tried to put more pressure and reach into those angles and the crevices of my teeth, I would notice that the toothbrush head would start, brushing against my gums, and that would actually agitate it more. So the thing is, if you were to ask me, would I continue using the Oral-B series for the rest of my life? The answer is 100 positively, yes it would. There's nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't clean my teeth as well as the $450 one. It removes stains not as well, and also it kind of agitates my gums. But for $450, obviously that toothbrush better make a difference. And while the difference was minute, I still really enjoy using the Philips much more than the Oral-B. In fact, I look forward to brushing my teeth every single day. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I never in my entire life did I ever think I was going to A, purchase a $450 toothbrush, and B, make a review on it. But when I was going across videos, I didn't find any videos that were, knowledgeable and valuable for me. So I decided to make one for myself to help you guys get a better understanding of should you buy that or not. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.